Hello everyone! Today we bring you our version of aglio e olio with broccoli and chicken. To get started, you will need to add 1 teaspoon of onion powder to chicken breast, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper. Spread your broccoli and chicken in a tray and bake at 350. Bake your broccoli for 20 minutes and your chicken for 35 minutes. Once your chicken is fully cooked, shred them. We use Conchiglie pasta, but you can use any pasta of your choice. Also remember to salt and oil your water. Now for the aglio olio, add 1 cup of olive oil to a hot pan. Add in 8 cloves of garlic thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon of dried chili flakes. Add in chopped parsley to your liking, the juice of a lemon, now time to add your strained pasta. Add the broccoli, add in your shredded chicken, and lastly add the zest of a lemon. This part is optional, but you can add Parmesan cheese. Now it's ready to be served. You can enjoy this hot or cold, whatever you prefer. We hope you enjoyed this video and the simple recipe. We shall see you in our next video.